Okay, so we got the trumpets on. Went ahead and I put them around the radiator, and I did 2 of them for kind of a uniform look, since they were going to be on the left and the right. I don't know how 2 sounds. One's pretty loud. Really hadn't even used it yet. I do see a little problem with my hose there. It's got a little. Let's see if we can make that a little better. Gotta get air through the hose. Damage this one, so I'm probably don't get a replacement. When I was using the drill, it grabbed it right there and tore the plastic up pretty good. Also, the bottom bracket right here on this one, I broke it, so I think that we will probably replace that one. Other side did pretty good after I learned my lesson. So they're both on, so let's see what they sound like.